For the unity feedback control system, the open loop transfer function G of S equal to G of S is this. Construct the position, velocity, acceleration, error constants. G of S is given. The steady state error also you have to find. K P equal to limit S tends to 0, G of S. That is equal to limit S tends to 0, 10 multiplied by S plus 2 upon S square S plus 1. That is equal to, if you S tends to 0, it becomes infinity. KV equal to limit S tends to 0, G of S equal to limit S tends to 0, SG of S. S 10 S plus 2 upon S square S plus 1 equal to 1. That is also infinity. Now, Ka equal to acceleration error constant equal to limit S tends to 0, S square G of S. That is equal to limit S tends to 0, S square 10 S plus 2 upon S square into S plus 1. S square getting cancelled. Therefore, if you put the S equal to 0, you will get 20. Infinity, infinity, 20. Now we have to find steady state error for R of the second part. Is steady state equal to S R of S upon 1 plus G of S. That is equal to limit S tends to 0. Limit S tends to 0, S R of S, that is 3 by S plus minus 2 by S square plus 1 by 3S cube upon 1 plus 10 multiplied by S plus 2 upon S square S plus 1. That is equal to S multiplied by 3 by S minus 2 by S square plus 1 by 3S cube. Limit S tends to 0. S square S plus 1 plus 10 multiplied by S plus 2 S square S plus 1. This is, we bring this S square and S plus 1 here, what you will get is limit S tends to 0, S square, therefore S cube you will get. S cube multiplied by S plus 1, 3 by S minus 2 by S square plus 1 by 3S cubed, all divided by S square S plus 1 plus 10 multiplied by S plus 2. That is equal to, if you bring this S cube here, this will consist of S square. And this will, if you bring this here, this getting cancelled and S square you will get. Here, this is getting cancelled, you will get S here. This is getting cancelled. Now, if you substitute S equal to 0, these two terms become 0. This 1 by 3 will be there. 1 by 3 will be there. This becomes 1. In the denominator, you will get 10 multiplied by 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0. That is equal to 20 1 by 60 Therefore, steady state error is 1 by 60.